folks, Christmas tree pre-order time. So if you'd like to pre-order a Christmas tree, a fresh cut Christmas tree, we will have that information out to you. We will run it through Saturday, October 29th until 4 p.m. that day that we're open. Take your pre-order. We are still offering delivery for you this year if you'd like us to. On the pre-order, so it's a little kind of different in the sense that you don't have to take the tree that we tag. So how that works, when you pre-order a tree, you say, I want the tallest, skinniest one of that price category. I want the biggest one you've got. I want one that's nice on three sides and kind of flatter on one. We don't get it perfect when we get them off the truck, but we've got a pretty good idea of what we're handling for you. So we'll tag to your preference as best we can. When you come out though, and we have that size on display for you, you can look at the ones that we have out. If you prefer one of those, you take that with you. So you're not locked into the tree that we pick you, you're just guaranteed a tree of that size though. One more thing that's new for this year, we're gonna give you a store credit to 10% of the value of the tree. So if your tree is $139, you'll get a store credit for $14. We do ask that you use it when you come pick it up, or we'll talk with you over the phone and bring the product to you if you choose delivery. Do bear in mind all those trees are Fraser firs. They're all #1 premium grade. Really nice, beautiful, full trees. Fraser's obviously being able to handle those heavier ornaments for you as well. They do get cut just the week before we get them as well. So nice and fresh when they come in. Take them home, put them up, enjoy them for quite a while. On the wreaths and garland, we will have all those this year. We'll have them for the Christmas open house. So the Friday and Saturday directly after Thanksgiving for you. That's our Christmas open house. So we'll have them out. We just won't have them in advance for information or pre-order. We'll just have them at the store until we're sold out of those. So hopefully all that helps. Just wanted to clear up on the pre-order again that you're not locked into the one tree. You do have the pick of the litter when you come out, but it does guarantee you a tree. And then kind of run through that store credit thing for you, where 10% of the value of the tree you'll get in store credit when you come out and pick up your tree. Hopefully all that helps. Please feel free to call 804-262-7167. Again, 804-262-7167. As always, we look forward to seeing you at the farm.